Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This time it's about this special light which is made for a specific purpose. It's for my buddy, and he is a car mechanic, and he is the most brutal person I have ever known. He can destroy equipment faster than a factory in China can make it, and it's for him to be used around the cars. And it has magnets, and they are on rotating columns, so when you clip it in there, you then rotate the fixture, and it's made to be as tough as possible. This is a PMMA tube. The wall is 5 millimeters, so really thick, and inside there is an aluminium profile and a really high power LED strip with great quality LEDs. The body is 3D printed from PETG plastic, which is really strong, much stronger than the usual PLA. This light, since it is the first try, the magnets had to be glued in and fitted a bit differently, but I didn't want it to scrap the print. These are the parts. They are the same. I printed 2 sets. They are this is printed in one piece, like this, and when you finish the print you just break it out and this will never come apart. In this there is a space for lithium cells and the switch and some more electronics, and this is the lid. The parts are quite heavy. They are printed with 5 perimeters and to be as strong as possible. I could make it with more cells, but then this part would get quite heavy, and if this falls, I was worried that it would break in this part, and falling with this light is not a possibility. It is a certainty. So I really wanted this to be as sturdy as possible. The only thing now remaining is to add the charging connector, and this light can go to my body for the testing, and this would get tested. It's quite powerful, some 17 watts, so it puts out a reasonable amount of light, and because it's from a longer fixture, then you don't make as much shadows. The magnets are super strong. When they clip, they hold really strong, like you can see. Just and I'm quite happy with this fixture. Alright, thank you for watching and goodbye.